In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Egnyte. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the sign document you want to connect with Egnyte and click Edit to open it. In the document editor, click the Settings tab at the top, then select Integrations from the left-hand menu. Use the search bar to search for Egnyte, then select the Egnyte integration from the results. Enter your Egnyte domain, which is your organization's Egnyte URL, and click Authenticate. You'll be redirected to the Egnyte sign-in page. Log in to your Egnyte account and authorize Jotform to access your cloud storage. After the connection is complete, your signed documents will automatically sync to your Egnyte account whenever new documents are completed. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with Egnyte. Thanks for watching.